Hi everyone, this is Monique with VGAnetwork.com, and today I'm going to show you how to uninstall SQL Server 2012 from Windows Server 2012. I want to talk about one thing though, my day at work today, and I had one of those duh moments in IT. You know, the kind of moments where you take your hand and you slam in your face, or you roll your head into your keyboard and you ask yourself, why did you say that? Well, I had one of those moments happen to me. I was on a support call reviewing my storage system, and we're going over some of our volumes in our system and going through performance. And the guy asked me, "Hey, did you look at our SQL Service best practice guide for our SQL servers?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I've gone ahead and reviewed it, and we go with best practice for SQL Server." And he's like, "Okay." So about 5 minutes later, he looks at some volumes and he asks, "Well, why aren't you taking snaps of these volumes?" And I'm like, "Well, because I'm following SQL Service's best practice through your guide." And there was probably a minute of silence between us, and then he pretty much switched to another topic. And it's those kind of moments where you're like, "Oh, I can't believe that happened." Well, anyways, let's go ahead and get on with the video. So the first thing you wanted to go ahead and do is hit your Windows key, and here you'll be presented with your start. So go ahead and open up Control Panel, and from here you'll see the regular control panel: System Security, Network and Internet, Hardware, Program. So go ahead and choose Uninstall Program. So here, give it a minute to populate all of your programs. So then you want to go ahead and hit Microsoft SQL Server 2012 64-bit. Go ahead and right click and choose Uninstall or Change. So give that a minute to load up. Now, once that's populated, you'll be presented with a SQL Server 2012 Add, Repair, Remove. Go ahead and choose the Remove button. Give this a minute to populate. So it's going to go ahead and do a setup support rules check and make sure everything's okay to uninstall. And if you want to go ahead, it says operation completed, pass 7, 0 failed, 0 warning. You can go ahead and click on the Show Details tab, and it'll tell you what it actually went through and verified. Set up administrator, set up account privileges, restart computer, etc., etc. .NET 2.0, 3.5 service pack. So go ahead and choose OK. And here you'll wait for the next screen that it will present to you. And here you'll be given the instance you want to go ahead and remove. So here I want to go ahead and remove my Mortal Kombat instance, and then go ahead and choose Next. And here you'll be presented with the features you want to go ahead and uninstall. So I'm going to go ahead and choose All, even the shared services. Now, for whatever you need for your environment, you can go ahead and remove certain components and keep certain ones. But if I were you and you were completely uninstalling SQL Server from a server and maybe repurposing it for another purpose, just go ahead and select All and choose Next. So here you'll just wait a minute while that completes. And here it'll also give you another removal rules, and you can go ahead and show details, and it'll say, your side-by-side uninstallation rule, removal architecture mix match, instance removal, all passed. By the way, if it gives you a failed status, it won't let you complete it. So go ahead and choose Next. And here it'll give you a summary of what exactly is going to be removed and your configuration file path. So go ahead and choose Remove. And here it's going to go ahead and do the removal process, which will take several minutes. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and then restart the video once this has completed. Welcome back, everyone. This is Monique with VGAnetwork.com, and as you can see, the complete removal has completed for removing SQL Server 2012, and this will give you a summary of the operations that succeeded. So go ahead and close out, and then if you see other services here, you can just go ahead and uninstall them. And once that's complete, you can search your registry, make sure that's completely removed, make sure the services have been removed, and you can do that also through command line to remove the services. So thank you for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please check out my other videos at vganetwork.com. Some of them include installing SQL Server 2012, how to deploy Windows Server 2012, and other walkthrough videos. Thanks again.